Right, another little video. Busy little afternoon this afternoon, doing a few jobs. I've had trouble getting my passenger door open. It's a common problem with these Mark IIIs. And is that little thing there, that little bugger. And a lot of people have trouble getting those little pins out. So basically what you need to do is push that pin out there. And then that will turn on the locking mechanism. There's an arm on the locking mechanism, on the latch mechanism I should say. So that's adjustable. It's like on a screw thread. You turn it and it'll go up and down the arm on the thread. But before you do that, you need to get that pin out there. And that pin, that little plastic pin, a lot of people have trouble getting out. And the reason they have trouble getting it out is because, I don't know if you can see, there's a little barb on the end of it, and that actually clicks in. I don't know if I can do it, but there, hear that? So that's actually clicked in there. So what I found was when I tried to put something inside of there, like a small screwdriver, actually what you're doing is you're opening that up. So you're just making life difficult for yourself. What you need to do is get something this very similar diameter to the end of that pin to push it out, to push it through, rather than having something inside that hole and like expanding it. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, that's one little job there. A lot of people struggle with that. But yeah, like I say, if you try and get something the same diameter as that little yellow pin and then push it out. I actually used a T25 Torx bit and a pair of big pipe grips, and I pushed it out. So I had the T25 bit on there, on the end of the yellow pin, and I got the pipe grips, so I was squeezing the pipe grip, so I push in against that yellow pin, and it popped out quite easy this time. I have struggled terrible in the past getting those things out, but yeah, and it's sat in the door like that, so it's awkward to get to anyway. But yeah, if you understand what I'm saying, I mean, people who have had this problem then know. Yeah, if you know, you know, you know. Anyway, another little job I'm doing is fog light glasses. So there's the old ones. A lot of people are saying that you can clean these up wet and dry, and I will try that when I've got a bit more time. But what I found is these. I found these online. These are I think Mark 7 Fiesta fog light glasses. It's not a perfect fit, but it's not bad actually. I'm going to go around there with a bit of tiger seal, let that go off, and refit them. Put them all back together again. I've stripped all these down. I've got some LEDs to go in there, so hopefully they shouldn't get too hot. So that's how it was. That can't get these anymore. So these were for the facelift, final facelift Mark III Mondeo ST, and they're like rocking horse poo. Can't get hold of them. Someone posted a link on the group, 260 quid a piece. Well, I ain't paying that. These, for a pair of these, that's the Mark 7 Fiesta. I think it's a Mark 7 Fiesta fog light. They're a bit plasticky and rubbishy, but I don't really care. I just want the glass off of them, so I carefully took the glass off the front of that. I sussed out the diameter of the glass. It's very similar to that. It is a little bit bigger than the original, but I also took the little lip off around the edge of there, and then all I'm going to do is tiger seal all the way around there. Plonk that on, nice and square, level, centre, and hopefully that should be a quick, easy fix. 14 quid for the two Fiesta. Yeah, 14 quid for the 2 Fiesta fog lights. So just take the glasses off of them and put them onto your existing housings. Happy days, job done. Yeah, so like I say, a few jobs going on. I got the passenger door was leaking anyway, and the passenger door card rattles, and the passenger door handle wouldn't open the door all the time, so I thought I'll do it all. I'm doing the steering wheel covers as well, and also one of the jacking point covers came off, and refurbing that, repainted that. What else am I doing? I'll show you the door in a minute, what I've done. Yeah, so I've basically taken all the grey stuff off. I've gone round on a speaker housing with grey butyl tape, and then all the openings, all the holes I filled up with grey butyl tape and a bit to stop it leaking. But that little clip I'm on about for the door mechanism is in there. It is quite awkward to get to. I should have done a video really when I was doing it, but so yeah, hopefully that'll be leak free now. This is how I did it. I've got the bit stuck there with a bit more of that butyl sealant from the door, just to keep the bit in place. So if you put the grips like that on top, so that is a 25 T25, and that is roughly the same diameter as the end of that plastic pin that I'm talking about. I've actually pushed it out a little bit here because it's so fiddly to catch it on camera, but I just want to give you the principle. Yeah, so you hold your grips like that, and it is difficult inside the door, but you squeeze, it pushes the pin outlet. You only have to push it halfway out, so you can take it off the mechanism and spin it, so then adjust. Alright, so like I say, it is fiddly. You will have to do a little bit of trial and error, but this is tight, and if you use a bit of WD, so you can hear it, how tightly that clicks when I do it. So that's when it's fully in position now. Let's see if I can do it. There you go. I would spray this with WD, get some WD in there, because like I say, that little pin there is a right pain in the ass. I don't know if you can see there, look. It's got like a little barb on the end of it, look. And that's what makes it so difficult to get out. So if you push a screwdriver in the middle there, all you're doing is opening that up and pushing that barb harder into the surrounding plastic, into what it clips into. Once these have been clipped in and that a few times, they ease up a bit, but if it's never been done before on the car, then you're going to struggle. So like I say, T-Torque 20, you don't have to be a Torque 25, it can be whatever. It's just I found there's a very similar diameter there, look. And you push, and it pushes out. Alright, so yeah, anyone that has ever tried this, you know what I'm on about.